5 best space heaters. The item number 5 is Andily Space Heater Electric. Winter means cold. We can't refuse the winter is coming, but we can choose the Andily ceramic heater. It can bring you a spring-like warmth and take good care of those you love. The item number 4 is Brightown 750 watts/1500 watts CTL. Keep quiet and uncluttered with Brightown 750 watts/1500 watts powerful ceramic space heater. 3 heating settings and safe ceramic element solution provides convenient and comfortable warming. Specially designed for dorm, bedroom, office and many other medium-sized living spaces. The item number 3 is Lasko 100 MyHeat. Lasko's personal heater is designed to warm only you, not an entire room. This allows you to feel comfortable and warm while paying only to warm the space around you instead of warming the entire room. This heater is great for placement under your desk or next to your chair. The item number 2 is Lasko CD09250 ceramic adjustable. Lasko number 754200 and CD09250 heaters offer powerful heat in a small package suitable for under desk or even tabletop. 3 quiet settings: high heat, low heat, fan only. Measures 5.75 by 7 by 9 inches. Lasko means quality and comfort. The item number 1 is Amazon Basics 1500 watts ceramic space heater with adjustable thermostat for comfortable warmth, ideal for home or office. 1500 watt high setting. 3 output options: low, high, or fan only. Power indicator light lets you know when it's plugged in for safety. Tip over switch with auto shut off and overheat protection with auto shut off. ETL listed.